Oh my goodness.
It has been so beautiful, you know, away from being on the running kids every time, and then coming back home and just having experience of traveling around Kenya for a whole season and enjoying myself and my daughter and my family. So it has been really great, and beautiful memories, especially in Amboseli, going close to the elephant. And at first I was so scared, but you know,
every single sportsman and woman that steps out to the field to defend their position on behalf of the country is a moment of pride for us. It is the only platform that the world stops for a minute to appreciate that there is a country called Kenya.